This is the XLR Cheese Hat. It is a very simple little adapter that goes on the top of XLR devices like this one from Sony and allows you to add a wireless receiver to your setup as well as offset the microphone for two sources of audio. Currently, it is compatible with the Sony K3M as well as the Sony XLR-H1 top handle for the FX3. So with this installed, you have the option to mount all kinds of different cold shoe adapters so that you can have multiple devices like a receiver as well as the microphone offset, and all you need is this device and two little screws. In the box, you're going to find the cheese hat itself along with two small black screws for installing the microphone holder. The cheese hat is 3D printed and has multiple 1/4-20 threads across the top. It is plastic, so you will need to be somewhat careful when you install various accessories, but most people will be installing a cold shoe mount. It will have several linked to in the description and on the product page. So once you install it, you can just kind of leave it there. You shouldn't have any problems with the plastic threads. Now let's get to installation, and this is going to be identical with the XLR-H1, which is the top handle XLR unit for Sony cameras, as well as the K3M. Both share an identical top. This one on the K3M, you can see I've already removed the microphone mount, so it's going to be the same on both of these units. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the microphone holder, remove the microphone if it is already installed, and grab for yourself a small Phillips head screwdriver. And you're looking for a J0 bit, just like this one. With that acquired, we can go ahead and remove the two Phillips head screws that hold the mount in place. Be very careful when removing these screws because they strip easily, so that's why you want to make sure you have the correct style of bit and make sure you're pressing down as you're loosening that screw. So I'm going to set that aside. We're going to need these, and there is the second one, and I'll just take the entire assembly and set it aside. Next, we can take the cheese hat and go ahead and install it or place it into that slot. It is keyed, so it should only fit just like this. Now we're going to take those same two screws and stick them in the two smallest holes on the top of the cheese hat. Go ahead and use the same screwdriver and we'll snug it up in place. And don't over tighten here. We're just looking to get this nice and snug. And there is two. So with that installed, we now have a nice platform to be able to work off of. Before I add any cold shoe mount, I am going to go ahead and reinstall the microphone holder. Now this is optional. If you don't plan on using a shotgun microphone on the side, you can skip this part, but I'm going to go ahead and install it for demonstration's sake. So we're going to take the microphone mount, and instead of mounting it like we had it before, we're going to flip it around and install it right there. So we'll open it up again, take our two black screws that are included with this kit. Using a size 1 Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to go ahead and install this. Start one of the screws, and I'll go ahead and grab the second one. There are two holes in the side of the unit, so we'll go ahead and tighten this down. All right, and again, we don't want to over tighten here, but with that done, we can go ahead and close it or stick our microphone in there. And now we have a really nice platform to be able to add a receiver for your wireless transmitter or something like that, and have a microphone. There are a lot of cold shoe options out there. You could go with something really simple with a single screw like this one, or what I prefer, which is a Nitsy or a double screw mount. That way it won't twist ever on you. Another alternative is something like this, a cold shoe extender or offset. For example, if you're not going to be using a small transmitter or receiver like I have here, you could, instead of adding a traditional cold shoe, you could add one of these, which is going to offset it so that you could use a much larger receiver without interfering with the microphone. The reason we did not extend the cheese plate all the way out to this larger area here is that it would be very weak because there's two screws on this side, but not a lot of support over here, and we didn't want some massive piece of plastic hanging off your camera. So something like this would make it really easy to have a nice, strong, secure connection and cold shoe off to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and place mine right here. And I go ahead and take something like this wireless receiver and go ahead and insert it on top of the handle. We'll go ahead and add a microphone as well. I'll go ahead and plug in the microphone, and now we have a really nice compact setup. We've got our receiver, which we can plug into input 3. We've got our microphone. Just a great setup all around. And for reference, here is the K3M on a mirrorless Sony body, just to show you what that looks like with this setup. We have our microphone, offset, and our new cold shoe setup with a wireless receiver. So another really clean, simple installation with our 2 audio sources. While it is technically possible to mount heavier gear like a monitor to the top cheese hat, we would recommend you avoid it because that's a lot of weight for those 2 tiny screws. So stick with things like audio receivers or really small lights and things. So that is the XLR cheese hat. It is available now at camerafoundry.com. Check the product page for more information, as well as additional accessories and gear for your camera. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next product video.